Bad Boy Creatives.
Hi everyone, this is Bad Boy Creatives. For this video, I will be reviewing some of my minifigures that I have from the Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness. And I will also tell you where to buy each and every one of it. So let's go and let's start. Stay tuned. So let's start with this one. This is Monica Rambeau, Captain Marvel from the Multiverse of Madness. This is from a brand called Carvit. And this is a little bit of the mix and match because of this hair came from the T'Challa Star-Lord from the CMF edition of Lego. The details are really good, and you can see it from the torso up to the leg part, and also the arms of it are quite detailed. If you're in a western country, you can buy this from around $1 to or two. So this is very cheap, but the quality of it is really good. So you can see up to the back portion, you can see the back and the lower part is really great. And next we have here Baron Mordo. So this is also from the Corrit brand. So it's a Chinese brand. Okay, you can see the torso and the details of it are really great. From the upper part to the lower. So you can see up to his back portion, and the arms are quite detailed. And also the back is also printed. It is really accurate, so I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Up next we have here Black Bolt. This minifigure came from the third party brand called Shin minifigure. So I really like this minifigure because Lego doesn't have one of this. And the details of it are quite good also. You can see on his arms are detailed and with prints, and also in his back. Just this plastic material is not as shiny as the Corvette ones. So Corvette has better materials than Shin so far. But if you remove this helmet, you can see this version of his head without the mouth. But we also have another head with his mouth. Overall rating, I will give it a 9 out of 10. But just in case this minifigure get a better plastic quality, I'll give it 10 out of 10. Up next we have here Captain Carter. So this is a mix and match Captain Carter. The body, the complete body and the shield comes from the CMF, and also the face. But this hair came from a Wanda Maximoff minifigure that I had a long time ago from the Lego. By the way, Shin minifigure also released a Captain Carter minifigure like this, but with her backpack or jetpack. I'm sorry. And the hair is more accurate than this one. You have to check it out. So if you got interested, you can buy one on the internet. You might try AliExpress if you're in a Western country, or Shopee when you're in Southeast Asia or in nearby countries. I'm not gonna rate this one because this is one of my mix and match. So I hope you like this one. Up next, we have here Reed Richards from the Fantastic Four, or from the Marvel Illuminati, Mr. Fantastic. So you can see the details are great from the torso up to his leg part, and also the arms. If you can see, the head of it came from a Winter Soldier minifigure or Bucky Barnes. The hairpiece came from Doctor Strange minifigure. Its arms are a bit longer than the usual. So if you buy this from the Shin minifigure, you will have two sets of arms, one with the usual length and one with this one. You can see the details are really good, are really accurate from the movie. So this is the extra arms that I'm talking about earlier. So you can see the details are quite good also. It's just like the longer arms, just shorter version. So great job for Shin minifigures for this minifigure. So 9 out of 10. Up next we have here Professor Charles Xavier or Professor X from the Xmen and the Illuminati also. So this complete minifigure and the hover chair came from Shin minifigures. Comes with this extra head with this my eyes open, but I like this with the closed eyes because for me it's more accurate. As you can see, the details of this minifigure are quite good also. Just the plastic is not quite shiny like this Lego or Corric brand. So you can see the back portion of it. It's also have its print and also in its arms. So this is a really good minifigure and hover chair build. So you can check it out on my channel if you see how to build this one. So I made a short tutorial so you can build your own. Up next we have here an alternate Sentry. So you can see this is a mix and match minifigure. From his torso up to his legs came from a yellow jacket minifigure. Just I put the torso part backwards, and the helmet came from the one of the Shin minifigure set. The zombie Wanda, I think zombie Wanda minifigure. That's why what they call it. So I have that one also. Up next, we have here Wanda Maximoff from Earth 383, the one who wiped out the Illuminati from the Multiverse of Madness movie. So this minifigure came from a brand called Shin Minifigure also, quite detailed. And also if you remove the hair, you can see her extra head or extra face with this with her mouth closed. So this is really detailed. I really like this minifigure because it's really accurate from the movie. For this minifigure, I'll give Shin minifigure 10 out of 10 for this one. Up next we have Christine Palmer from Earth 383. So this minifigure came from Shin Minifigs also. So you can see the hair is shiny, detailed from the back portion up to her arms. The details are great. The prints are quite accurate from the movie. It also has two head parts, so you can tilt it. You can choose what you like for displaying her. Up next we have here Sarah minifigure. This is just a mix and match minifigure. The torso part came from the older Doctor Strange minifigure. So you can see on the back portion. So the head part comes from the Reva minifigure or third sister, and the hair came from the Nick Fury minifigure. No, none of the third-party brands released this kind of Sarah minifigure, so I just made a mix and match of it. Up next, of course, the star of the movie, aside from Doctor Strange, this is Wanda Maximoff or the Scarlet Witch. Okay, so this minifigure came from Corwit brand also. So you can see the details are really great, and from the head up to his her lower part. So this part. I'm sorry, I think I forgot to remove the sticky text that I used before for display. So this Wanda minifigure is really great. You can see the details from the head comes with two sides also, one with the black eyes and one with the reddish eyes. This is a must-have minifigure also, and it comes with this book, the Darkhold. You can see the details of the book from the inner part up to the outer part. It's really great. It's just the plastic use or the material use. It's not shiny as Lego, of course, but the quality is really great. Up next, we have Clea. Spoiler alert, if you haven't watched the Multiverse of Madness yet, this character appeared on the post-credit scene of the movie. This minifigure came from Shin Minifigures also. I really love the cape of it. Looks so unique because of the print. The details are great. Looks exactly from the movie. I like this extra accessory also. Although I don't know exactly about her character yet because I'm not a big fan of comics of Doctor Strange before, to be honest. But overall, I really like this minifigure. So I'll give it a 9 out of. Up next, we have here one of the stars of the movie, America Chavez. This minifigure came from Corbett also. I really like this design of it. For me, I think this one is better than the Lego when it comes to the design because it is more detailed than the original. I just hope that the hair that they included is more darker than this one to make it more accurate. Overall, this is a really cool minifigure. I'll give it a 10 out of 10, of course. So you can see the details from the torso up to this leg part of it, up to the arm prints. They are really good. So you must have one of this. Next, we have here one of the big stars of the movie also, the twin brother of Gilgamesh. So this is Wong. Just kidding. This is from Corvette brand also. The details are really good. So as you can see from the torso, the legs and the arms are all printed with gold and other colors. This looks great and accurate. So I think uh, you saw this before, so I'll give it 10 out of 10 for the twin brother of Gilgamesh. Next, we have here one of the Doctor Strange variants, Defender Strange. It is from Corvette also. I really have many Corvette minifigures because I like the way they make details. A big respect to the other brands, in my opinion. Each of you got specialties when it comes to making minifigures. Okay, this minifigure is really great, by the way. It's just his face looks like a villain, said one of my subscribers before, and I somehow agree with that. If you want to complete your Doctor Strange variants from the movie, you must have one of this. So 9 out of 10 for this minifigure. Up next is Defender Strange zombie version. Uh, this minifigure looks great also. It comes with this small harness to make him look like floating like in the movie. I'm planning to make a cape like the Souls of the Damned because I saw some of mocks of it and they look really cool for displaying. You can see the details of this. The prints look embossed also. 10 out of 10 for this minifigure. By the way, it's from Corvette also. Next is the Doctor Strange from What If. This one is not really from the movie. I just like to include him with the set. So this one is from the Shin minifigures. I like the cape of this one because of the prints. The details from the torso are really good also. And you can see the prints at the back portion are really great. It looks exactly like the one from the Disney Plus series. Next is Doctor Strange from Earth 838. This is one of my latest Doctor Strange variants. It is from Corvette brand also. Look at the details of this. It looks really great and accurate from the movie. It comes originally with this blue cloak of levitation. I just removed it for the display. So let's try putting it right now so you can see him wearing it. So this one is the best variants for me. It's 11 out of 10 for this minifigure. So you must get one now. Okay, so you can see it has two faces also. The other one got the third eye for Doctor Strange. Next is Sinister Strange. This is one of the unique Doctor Strange variants because it has 6 arms. I like the way Corvette made this cloak. You can put 4 additional arms at the back portion of it. This is kind of unique because Lego doesn't have that yet as of now. This also has 2 sides of his head. The other one has the third eye. And you can see the torso and the leg prints are also great. So you can use it to make Sith minifigures because of its design. You know, it looks exactly like the Darth Maul or the Anakin Skywalker's Jedi suit or Sith suit. I'm sorry. And lastly, we have the original Doctor Strange from the MCU. This one is from Corvette brand also. This is one of my favorite Stephen Strange minifigure from MCU. It comes with this book, the Book of Vishanti. So its face is really cute and looks Lego-ish. The details are really clean and the design is great from the torso up to the legs and also on the arms. You can also put 4 additional arms for it to make your display look cooler. For me, this is 15 out of 10 for this one. Okay, so it's a little bit exaggerated, but it looks really great. So this is the Book of Vishanti. So you look at the details of it from the outside up to the inside. It looks really awesome having this. So that's it. There you have it, all of the minifigures that I have from the Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness. So I hope you like this video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also request some new content that you want to see in my channel. So thank you once again. By the way, this is Bad Brick Creative. So see you in my next videos. So thank you for your support.